There are two ways to delete Instagram account. To request the permanent deletion of your account from your computer or phone. Go to the Delete Your Account page. If you're not logged into Instagram on the web, you'll be asked to log in first. Select an option from the drop-down menu below Why do you want to delete account? And re-enter your password. The option to permanently delete your account will only appear after you've selected a reason from the menu and entered your password. Click Delete. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap More icon in the top right, then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap See More in Account Center, then tap Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then tap Deactivation or Deletion. Tap the account you'd like to permanently delete. Tap Delete Account, then tap Continue.